To replace the Bergerac Plancher's thermocouple, you will need a T25 Torx screwdriver. Remove the plate, remove the knob and test the ignition to determine the cause of the problem. Give the shaft a quarter turn and press in on it for a few seconds while at the same time pressing the igniter button. If the flame stays, it means there is a problem with the control knob. If the flame goes out, you need to replace the thermocouple. Take the Torx screwdriver and unscrew the two screws holding the burner. Unplug the spark plug wire and the thermocouple wire to release the burner. Remove the drip tray. Use the Torx screwdriver to unscrew the screws holding the panel. Turn the frame upside down and remove the remaining screws under the panel. Keep the panel in place and turn the frame right side up again. To take the panel off, unplug the two ignition button wires and then unplug the thermocouple. Install the new thermocouple by repeating the various steps in reverse. Finally, do another ignition test to make sure the thermocouple is working. The plancher is ready.